Happy December 4th, 2021, YouTubers and Better Brainiacs. This is your creator and host, Danny Zen, coming to you live from the Northern Hemisphere. This is going to be a very short and quick, fast-paced video going over an amazing, really, truly superfood called Oceans Alive 2.0, because this is their second version. I first learned about this. It is a marine phytoplankton product made of 2 strains. I first learned of it from the author of Sleep Smarter, Mr. Sean Stevenson, one of his YouTube videos. He is also an Activation Products affiliate. Activation Products is the company behind Oceans Alive. Activation Products is owned or co-owned by Mr. Ian Clark. They are based out of Ontario, Canada. Now, what makes this special is that it blows all the other quote-unquote super green, superfood powders, chlorella, spirulina, blue-green algae, is because it really is the source of all omega-3 essential fatty acids. It is at the very bottom of the food chain. From my little understanding of it, I'm not an expert. I've just been consuming this for about 6 months now. I've gone through 3 100 milliliter bottles and 3 of these smaller 30 milliliter bottles. The benefits, since I'll cut right to the chase, this is just a list of 10. Immunity, heart healthy, brain boost, you guys can read that, I'm sure. It can also counter DNA damage. That is shown on the website. I will give you the link. It'll be below in the description of the video, but if you can't wait, you'll get pricing there and everything. They have very limited supply due to limited production because it is grown in a contaminant-free bioreactor in Spain. Just go to tinyurl.com/better-than-krill. I do earn a small affiliate commission on each successful order that you click through with your credit card. And that supports this channel. Again, tinyurl.com/better-than-krill. If you happen to be in the South Florida area and willing to come near Fort Lauderdale to my condo, I can let you have a small 30 milliliter bottle for just $30. You will save $9 on, as well as get it quicker and save on shipping. Okay, so the benefits also include it contains a super antioxidant called superoxide dismutase, or SOD. Let's see what else. Yeah, better focus. It's got hundreds of nutrients and over 70 trace minerals. It is a glass bottle. It's very dark. It's special. It's a very expensive bottle. It blocks out certain wavelengths to not degrade the product. Now, Oceans Alive can be safely stored in room temperature. You can take it with or without food. It might be a little energizing if you take it at night before bed, so you might want to take it like with 4 hours or more away from bedtime. Every 15 drops contains 70 milliliters of magnesium, and I'm going to show you some right now. You want to go slow and slow. Some people experience benefits as few as literally 1 drop. I started super loading on I think it was just maybe 30 drops per day due to my traumatic brain injuries as well as heavy metal mercury poisoning. But I'm going to go ahead and do, if you can notice here, I'll just do 8 drops since I already had a big first meal of the day. It's extremely dark green and it very rich. I don't know if this smartphone camera does it justice, but let's see if you can take a look there. Go ahead and stir it. It's extremely, really rich and alive. So, like I said, it's even what the tiny crustacean shrimps feed on, and I like it because it's contaminant free. Does not come in touch with nature, the environment, since it's grown in a bioreactor. And I'm just gonna have drink up some right now. So while I drink this up, it does come with a 60-day money-back guarantee. and it will be shipped from their fulfillment center in Colorado. What else can I tell you? So yeah, just share this with everybody, and I hope you guys get a lot out of it. If you have any feedback, let me know. I'm curious to know what you think, and I hope this adds to your daily health regimen and help you overcome any health challenges, shore up nutritional deficiencies, and reach your health goals. This is straight from the website. And if you guys have any questions or want to contact me via email, you can send an email to either betterbrain101 at gmail.com or betterbrain101 at protonmail.com, okay? Take care, Better Brainiacs, or for fastest service, you can leave me a voicemail at my landline number, which is 786-441-2727 is my landline. I do check voicemails throughout the day. That's 786-441-2727. And yep, improves focus, definitely a must if you've got ADD. Greatest, omega-3 essential fatty acids, increased cognitive function, and cellular health, as you can see there. Okay, take care, and feel free to share this video, and hope this was helpful.